This morning, it's still unclear if or when two former Atlanta police officers could return to the force after a board overturned their dismissals yesterday. Mark Gardner and Ivory Streeter were fired after the controversial tasing of two college students trying to drive around the George Floyd protests in downtown Atlanta last summer. The two were also taken into custody promptly after that tasing incident. Joe Ripley joining us live now from APD headquarters with the details from the review. And Joe, this came down to the department and the city's policy for firing employees.
Right. Basically, the board cited a lack of due process in this case. Documents obtained by 11 Alive, the city civil service board, found the dismissals of both of those officers, basically that they violated both Atlanta city policy and Atlanta police policy. The board claiming the department failed to give sufficient written notice to the officers and failed to allow them proper representation. Its decision coming after the two officers appealed their terminations. They were fired back in May after video showed them tasing two college students and pulling them from a car. Several other officers also were charged in connection to the tasing. In a hearing, former Atlanta Police Chief Erica Shields said she did what she had to do to, quote, make sure the city was stabilized. The officer said they acted in self-defense, believing there was a gun in the car after an officer yelled that they saw one.
We were in fear of our life. We were told, I heard gun. I know what the taser does. And I knew that the taser would give us the opportunity to, if deployed correctly, would give us the opportunity to de-escalate that situation.
The board ultimately revoked the two officers' dismissals. Atlanta police, though, not commenting on when they might return back to full duty. Meantime, both of the officers face aggravated assault charges. The Georgia Attorney General is now handling those cases.